It all started in the summer of 2005. Before there was a Facebook, MySpace, or Twitter, it used to be Black Planet. Black Planet used to be the shit. See, I used to have my page popping. I created this thing called the Freaky Scale, only for the bitches. See, the Freaky Scale was a scale 1 to 10, just explaining how freaky you really were. 1 being, I'm a virgin, I'm waiting till marriage. 10 being, I'm down for whatever, whenever, and however. So I would copy and paste this Freaky Scale and message to every cute girl I could find. I would get messages back from everybody. I'm a 7, I'm an 8, nigga, I'm off the scale. And as a horny teenager, I couldn't believe how easy it was to find hoes through the internet. My pussy rate shot the fuck up. I was smashing all type of hoes. Skinny, fat chicks, white bitches, grown ass women. I mean, I'm getting it in. And then I ran into something they call the crazy bitch. What funny is that every nigga loves a crazy bitch. They got the best coochie. And no matter how much you tried to deny that you didn't know the bitch was crazy, you knew it. And what's so good about a crazy bitch that she always shows signs at the beginning to let you know that she's fucking crazy. And since we so blinded by crazy pussy that we getting, we look right past the shit. And I knew the bitch was crazy from the first time I stepped foot in her house. It was late. She sneaks me into her parents' house while they sleep. I get in the door. She's already on me, kissing me. I mean, grabbing my clothes off, telling me to hurry up. I finally grabbed the rubber. As I'm putting on my rubber, about to enter inside the coochie, she stops and said, "Do you love me?" What the fuck? In my mind, I'm thinking, if I say no, then I ain't gonna get no pussy. But if I say yes and tell her what she wants to hear, I'm guaranteed to booty. So I did what any horny teenager would do at the time. I said,